Hello and welcome to this week's Vaticano Update, the most important news from Pope Francis and the Vatican. In a statement released on Saturday, the Vatican said that the Chinese authorities had violated the terms stipulated in the provisional agreement on the appointment of bishops. They expressed their surprise and regret that Bishop John Peng Weizhao had been installed as an auxiliary bishop of Jiangxi, a diocese not recognized by the Vatican. The statement also noted reports that prolonged and heavy pressure from local authorities preceded the installation. It is good to remember that God is present to us, even in the small, everyday events of our lives, Pope Francis said on the first Sunday of Advent. In his Angelus address, the Holy Father invited everyone to bear in mind that God is concealed in the most common and ordinary situations of our lives. God, he continued, does not come in the extraordinary events, but in everyday happenings. Cardinal Richard Kawai Bawabor, Bishop of Wa, Ghana, died in Rome on Sunday evening at the age of 63. The cardinal had been hospitalized for heart problems after arriving in Rome in late August, and was therefore unable to attend the Vatican ceremony, at which he was elevated to the College of Cardinals on August 27th. Bawabor served as a missionary in the Democratic Republic of Congo, France, and Tanzania before being named Bishop of Wa in Ghana 2016. From 2010 to 2016, Bawabor was also Superior General of the White Fathers, the first African to hold that position. In an exclusive interview with American Magazine, Pope Francis emphasized the fact that the Petrine ministry has no room for the ordination of women. The Pope explained that it is a theological question that concerns the ministerial dimension of the Petrine Church. However, he said, the Church is more than a ministry. Apart from the Petrine principle, there's another principle that is still more important, that is the Marian principle, in which the principle of femininity in the Church, of the woman in the Church, where the Church sees a mirror of herself because she is a woman and a spouse. On Saturday, December 3rd at 5 p.m., the Christmas tree in St. Peter's Square will be illuminated. A 30-meter high silver fir from the small mountain village of Rosello in Italy's Abruzzo region. The tree will be decorated with ornaments made by residents of a psychiatric rehabilitation center in Rosello. At the same time, the Vatican will inaugurate its nativity scene. Made entirely of cedar wood, the nativity scene is harvested from a sustainable forest in the northern Italian town of Sutro in the province of Udine. It will be installed under the Christmas tree in St. Peter's Square. This will be the 40th Christmas tree in St. Peter's Square, continuing a tradition started by Pope John Paul II in 1982. Anthony Johnson for EWTN Vatican.